Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable camera movement in Dress to Impress for PC or desktop. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have joined Dress to Impress, and then I'm going to show you how we can enable camera movement. If you want to enable camera movement, you need to go to the Roblox setting here, and then you're going to go to the setting and you can turn on this menu, shift lock switch. Make sure you have this on, and then I'm going to go back to the game, and then you can press your shift button on your keyboard and this icon will appear on your screen, and you will be able to move your camera to change your camera angle. And it will be very useful to find hidden emoji. Usually the emoji is on the wall and it's really hard to see, but with this camera movement you will be able to see hidden emoji on the wall. Okay, and if you want to turn it off, just press the shift button again. Okay, and it will disappear. Then I'm going to enable it. Press shift. Okay, and we'll be able to make a movement. Okay guys, and that's all the way to enable camera movement in Dress to Impress for desktop or PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!